Part 1, Video 1. In order to practice writing a simulated case assessment report, you will be given an individual or family case to study and write a report about. In the report, you need to demonstrate your skills of interpreting and describing the case and draw upon discipline-specific theories and concepts when analyzing it. First, we will consider the sections of the report. Usually there are 4 or 5 sections. 1. Presentation of the case. 2. Background information about the case. 3. Your assessment of the case. And 4. The intervention plan you propose. Sometimes a 5th section will also be required, your personal reflection about the case and what you have learned from it. Now, let's look at these 5 sections and what should be included in each one, and then some of the language features that are often used. Section 1. Presentation of the case. In this first section, you need to describe the individual or family involved. Secondly, you describe the events that led to the case coming to the social worker's attention. Then we come to Section 2, Background information of the case. You need to clearly identify the relevant information. This could include the causes of the case. It may also include some opinions and quotations from the people involved. When describing causes, you are often not 100% certain of the cause. Therefore, you should use tentative language. This means using modal verbs like could, may, and might. You can also use adverbs such as possibly, probably, likely. In Section 3, your assessment of the case, you should refer to theories or concepts that you have learnt that are relevant to the case. This means theories that explain the way the individual or the family behave, or theories that may be relevant to the childhood experience of the individual. This is an opportunity to demonstrate your knowledge of the content of your course. It also means you will need to use referencing. Now let's move on to Section 4, your intervention plan. You should begin by stating the objectives of the intervention, what you hope to achieve. Then you should describe the method, how these objectives will be achieved. The objectives can be introduced by using phrases like, "The goal of this intervention plan is to..." The method often gives strong advice and uses the modal verb should. For example, the social worker should give psychological counseling. You can see more examples in the notes provided. In Section 5, your personal reflection, you are usually free to respond to any part in the process of writing up a case study report. For example, the experience of the individual in the case, or possible solutions or theories used to understand the case. The quality of the reflection probably lies in the depth of the reflection, or how clearly you are showing that you have learnt from the experience.